Congratulations on buying your Healy. You're going to love it. So let's get you started. First things first, you got to check that we have everything in the box. Now you should have 2 bracelets, the Healy device itself, 2 pads, and the 2 connector cables. Now don't worry, everything we'll go over today will be in this quick start manual. So let's get started. First things first, we'll go to the App Store and find the Healy Health and Fitness app, either in iTunes or Google Play. Okay, I've already got the app downloaded, so let's go ahead and click open. We'll get to the disclaimer here for the USA, that's where I live. This has been cleared by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, etc. Now, your first time through, you're going to have to register your device, your Healy device, to the app. So if your phone or your tablet will let you, go ahead and scan that QR code. If not, you're going to have to type in those numbers yourself. Now remember, your Healy device will attach to 5 phones or tablets, so up to 5 members of your family can actually be using this device. All right, once you've got your device registered, we click to and we go through and you see all the program pages that are available for your device. The Gold Cycle is one that everybody gets. It's got 7 programs that have been curated with the gold frequencies. You see all these other pages here. And you look down at the bottom here, we've got therapist programs. You can actually call one of the Healy therapists and they can curate a special program just for you to deal with your own symptoms, whatever they may be. You click on the settings, make sure you've got the latest update, so check for updates. Also make sure that it's in the language that you want it to be in. All right. Gold Cycle, those are the programs that you probably want to run first. We've also got a pain page. And you'll notice that these vary a little bit from the European ones because our devices are just approved for a pain. The pain numbers on the pain page are only Roman numerals. But look at all these things that you can get. Health, skin, pain, bioenergetic balance, meridians, a lot of things. If you get, and obviously you don't get all of these unless you get the higher packages. And then bioenergetic boost was one that was added when that certain gift from China was presented to us. So we pick the program, we're picking Pure. We go to the Pure page, it actually shows you how to and where to put the pads. You put your pads on and you download the program to the Healy. Now this will download from your app to the device. Make sure your electrodes are in, your pads are on, or your bracelets are on. I usually run these programs with my bracelets, but you can do them with pads, however you want to do it. And then it starts. Now the key here is to set the level so it's not too high. This is not a TENS unit, so you don't need to be shocked by this. You just need to feel it. Now I also want to caution you that you want to make sure your skin is moist, make sure you're drinking plenty of water so that there's not a black line here. You want a white line. That means that the connection is good and that you're receiving the micro frequencies correctly. If you see a black progress circle forming here, that means your skin is too wet or your circuit's not complete. So make sure you drink plenty of water and your skin is moist. If you do continue to struggle, you might try either buying some electrode gel or putting some wet paper towels underneath your bracelets and see how that works. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy your Healy.